Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how I got to retouch this image. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first what I'm going to do right here is just to duplicate this background layer by dragging it down here first of all. So I'll just pick on my patch tool like this. Then I want to take some of these blemishes off before starting the main frequency separation. So I'll just circle it like this, then I'll drag it off, then I'll circle this small one right here, then I'll drag it off, then this also I'll just take it off, and also here I'll take it off, then I'll just take this. So while taking that off, don't take it to a far place, just the skin area within where you want to patch. So I'll just patch it by dragging it down here. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to duplicate this other background copy again. So I'll just drag it down here to duplicate it. So once I'm done, I'll just rename this texture. So while I'm explaining you can get it really better. So I'll rename this other one down color. So once I'm done with that, I'll come to the texture layer here, then I'll close the visibility of it, then I'll come down to the color, then I'll head on to filter, then I'll select blur, then also Gaussian blur. So once that is done, to select this radius, I'll take this to 0.1, then I'll sample any part on the skin, then I'll now take this adjustment here when I can't really find the texture, just like this. So 7 is okay, I'll hit okay, and I'll come right back to the texture, then I'll open the visibility of it. I'll head on to image, then I'll now select apply image. So on the layer, I'm going to choose the color. So I'll just take this to color. Then for the channel, you leave it at RGB. Then for the blending mode, make sure it's on subtract. So let the opacity be at 100, the scale at 2, and offset at 128. So once all of this is checked, you hit OK, and you come right here and change this blending mode to linear light. So I have now successfully demarcated the skin color and the texture. So I'm just going to highlight the two, then I'll drag it here to group it, then I'll just name this FS, which is frequency separation. So I'll open this, then head on to texture, then I'll zoom it in a bit, just like this. Then I want to use the clone stamp in picking up blemishes. So I like leaving my opacity at 98, so the flow at 100. So once that is done, I'll just reduce the size, the clone stamp a bit, then I'll just pick on the small blemishes here, which the model doesn't have much blemishes on her face. So I'll just take the few ones off, just like this. Then I just take this. So once I'm done, I'll take this also, and also here. So once I'm done, I'll zoom it out a bit, just like this. Then I'll head on to the color, which is the layer I'm going to use in brushing. So I'll just select the mixer brush, and also make sure the brush is on a clean brush, and the weight I like using 30, the load 25, mix 30, and flow 25. So make sure the sample layer is not checked. So once I'm done with that, I'll just start brushing on this photo right here, just like this. So just watch this video till the end so you guys can see the magic on this. So I'm just going to brush it like this. You can see where there is highlight. I'm not trying to get rid of it to make it look dark. I'm just blending it to be more unique. So just like that. Then I'll just brush this, just like this. So you guys can see the size of brush I'm changing to at a given place. So for this nose, I just love reducing the brush size while brushing this part here, just like this. In any image I'm brushing, around the nose area, when I get here, I like reducing the size of the brush So you can do as well, because it do gives me what I want. So that's why I really love reducing it. So I'll just brush this like that. And you get, let me show you a quick one. This is the before and this is the after. So you can see how the image is looking more smooth. So I'll just continue brushing just like this. So you guys should just watch this video and see the magic in this. So you can see I'm brushing this image just like this. So I just perfect everywhere to look smooth. So when I get to this point, I'll come back to the texture layer, then also pick on my clone stamp again, then zoom it in just like this, and I'll just pick some of these blemishes off just like this. And at this point you need to be very careful while picking up the blemishes. So you can now see these are nose area, how it is. So any small mistake, you just end up making the image look flat. So I'll just take this one after the other, then I'll come to this side, then I'll pick it off, then also here, also I'll just pick it off to make it look more smooth, but also looking smooth. I don't want it to look like plastic, so I'm really mindful. I'm not trying to take all of the blemishes, but the one that are really making the picture seems rough is the one I'm taking. So while taking yours, look for the blemishes or like this spots right here that is making the picture look rough. Just pick those ones and leave the rest to look natural. So I'm just going to make this like so. Once I'm done picking off the blemishes, what I'm going to do is just to brush again, sorry, I took this off. Let me just return this, sorry. So I'll just come back to the color, then I'll pick on the mixer brush, then I'll just continue brushing rather, and just brush it like this, just to make it look more smooth. And just brush this like so. You guys can see how I'm doing this. So while practicing, you need to take this at the back of your mind. So once I'm done with the first area like this, so let me show you the before and after, the before and after. So I'll come to this hand area and the neck also. So I'll start by brushing this neck. So around the neck, I won't really pick much of these details of which is this. So I'm just going to take this one, but I'll leave other ones. So I'll come to the texture layer, then I'll pick clone stamp, and also I'll just take this off just like this. So I'll just take this also. So once I'm done, okay, you can see something here. So once I'm done, I'll also take this off. So while I'm brushing, I'll come back to the color, then pick up my mixer brush. So you guys can pay close attention while using the clone stamp. I'm using the texture layer, which is this. So while I'm using the mixer brush, I'm using the color layer. So take note of that. If you use the texture layer to brush, you end up cleaning the texture on the image with the mixer brush. Okay, let me just show you an example of that. So if I come here to the mixer brush or the texture layer, then on the mixer brush, and I try brushing this place, you can now see I'm cleaning off the texture. So that's what you end up doing if you use the texture layer with the mixer brush. So let me just take that off. So you guys should take note. When you are picking up blemishes, you select the texture layer. While brushing, you select the color layer. So that's why I named it like that, so it won't be confusing. I'm just going to brush this like this, then just blend it like this. So I'll just smoothen this part also. and these are hand. I just blend it like this. So you guys can see how I'm doing it. So I'll just blend it like this. So let me zoom it out and let me show you the before. So this is the before and this is the after. So at this point I'm going to add final touches to this image to make it come out. So I'll pick on the clone stamp again, then I'll reduce the size, then I'll take this spot off just like this. I'll take this off also. So I'm done. So while I'm done with that, let me just clean this. And also here. So while I'm done with that, I'll come to the color layer, then pick up my mixer brush and just add some finishing touches to it, just like this, to blend it even more better. So I'll just do it right here like this. So when I'm done with that, let me show you the before and the after. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is how I got to retouch this image. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a like and also comment on it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.